How to use Android scheduled messages trick. To use this feature, you simply have to open Messages application on your device. Now, on this option, all you have to do is tap on the plus marker or this chat bubble icon. From there, select your recipient. Once you select your recipient, you should be able to find this text box on this bottom navigation bar. However, it is not shown because I have yet to insert a SIM card into my device, but once you do so, you should be able to find it over here. All you have to do is go ahead and tap on it, and from there you should be able to find option called schedule simply by tapping or long pressing the message itself. From there, schedule your time, then choose your custom date from the calendar and exact minute from the clock interface, then tap next, hit save, and your message should be sent on that specific timing. I hope this video helps you out a lot. If you have any questions or queries, please do comment down below.